Now we are going to see multiplying with 0 in factors. Multiplying with 0 in factors. That means we are going to multiply numbers, but in between the numbers 0 is there. That is called as, we can say, multiplying with 0 in factors. So 346 into 202. First you have to multiply, before you are going to start multiplication, first you have to write the place value, that is ones, tens and 100 you have to write as it is. Then you have to write the numbers according to the place value. So I have written already. So look at this, 346, ones, tens, 100. So 6 in the ones place value and 4 in the tens place value and 3 in the 100 place value. Next, after that 202, you must write the same. 2 in the ones place and 0 is the tens place and 2 again is a 100 place. So what you are going to do, you have to start multiplication. So first I am going to multiply by 2. So what I am going to do, so that is 2 into 6, 12. 2 as carryovers go to the tens place. So again 2 into 4, 8. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9 I have written. Then 2 3s are 6 I have written. So 346 multiply by 2. It is a ones place. It is a the number? Ones place. So next is 0. 0 in the tens place value. So if you multiply by this 346 is multiplied by 0, you can get everything as 0. So that is what you should not show it off. You should not write it again, because I have told you 346, that is multiply by 0, that is 6 zeros 0 and 0 into 6 0 or 6 0 into 0. So 0 into 6 0, 0 into 4 0 and 0 into 3 0. So you no need to write and show it off. Better you do one thing, you just skip it. After that, what you're going to do, you have to multiply by 100. What is the number in 100 place value? 2. So what you're going to do, you must write 0 in the ones place and tens, you must write 0 in tens place. Now you are going to multiply by 2. So 2 into 6, 12. This 12, it is 12. This 2 you have to write only in the 100 place. That is very clear. You should write this 2. This 2 into 6. 2 is a 100 place value and 6 is a ones place value. 2 into 6 12. So this 12 you have to write only the 2 ones place value. So this 2 you must write in the 100 place. You must write in the 100 place value directly. Then 2, the carryovers go to the again tens place. 2 into 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 and 2 3s are 6 I have written. So now you start adding. Start adding. That means 2 plus 0, 2. 9 plus 0, 9 and 6 plus 2, 8. That's 7 plus 8. 6 plus 2, 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. That is what? So 6 plus 2, 8 and 9 here as it is and 6 as it is you have to write. So the answer is 69,892. I told you already, ones, tens, 100, you just leave the last 3 digits. After that you have to start on the start writing comma next to 2 digit. Okay, that is what 69,892 is the right answer for the question. So this is a very simple method, because you just skip the 0. Suppose if you don't want to skip the 0, you have to do the normal multiplication. That means first I am going to multiply 346 into 202. First you have to write the place value, ones, tens, 100. What is the number? 346. 6 in the ones place, 4 in the tens place and 3 in the 100 place. And 202. 2 in the ones place, 0 in the tens place and 2 again it is in the 100 place. I am going to multiply by 2, that is ones place value. That is 346 multiplied by 2. So 6 2s are 12, carryovers go to the tens place. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9 and again 3 2s are 6, there is no carryover, 6 right as it is. Next I am going to multiply by 0, this 0 is the tens place value. So ones place you must put 0, then you start multiplying by 0, 0 into 6 0 and 0 into 4 0, 0 into 3 0. That is what I told you, not necessary to write, because it's a waste of time. Better you skip that. That is what I've done it here. Next I am going to multiply by 100 place value. Then what is the number in 100 place? 2. So I am going to multiply by 2. So 2 that is 346 multiply by 2. So 2 in the 100 place value, I'm going to multiply by 2. 2 into 6, that is 12. So before you're going to multiply, you have to put 1's place 0 and 100 place 0. Then 2 6 are 12, 2 carry over, and again what? Carry over is go to the 100 place. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9. And 2 3s are 6, you have to write. And then you have to start adding. So 2, 9, 6 2, 8, 9, 69. So what is the answer? Again, 69,892. The same answer, you got it. So both answers are similar, but this is the only thing, you skip the skip the 0. You just skip the 0, not necessarily multiply by 0. Because any number is multiplied by 0, you can get 0. That is what I don't want to write the 0. I don't want to show the 0 answer, that is 0 multiplication. I just skip the 0. That is what I have written here. That is what I have done it here. So I am just multiplying by ones and hundreds. I didn't multiply by tens place value, that is tens place value 0. So if you multiply by 0, any number is multiplied by 0, you can get 0 only. That is what I skipped the 0. I am just multiplying ones and hundreds, and finally I add the product. I can get the answer. Here this is a very normal multiplication. I am going to multiply by 2, that is 1's place value. After that I am going to multiply by 10, that is 0. I showed of you. Then after that I multiplied by the same 2, it is a 100 place value. I multiply everything, and finally I add the product. So here also the same answer, here also I got the same answer. So both answers are correct, but here I skipped the 0, here I didn't skip the 0. This is a normal multiplication. This is a 0 in factors. That's it.